Hey guys, Matt from UrbanSurvivaIist, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video today. This is from a trade that I did. I traded away my Benchmade Onslaught. So let's see what I got. I'm going to be using the Microtech Ultratech to open it up. Alright, you can see it's a Spyderco, and I've been wanting one of these for a while. A lot of the YouTube guys have one and they all seem to love it, so I thought I'd try it out. It is the Spyderco Sage. Feels great. It's larger than I thought. I expected it to be a little smaller, but I like it. I prefer a larger knife. This is the Sage 1. There's 3 Sages now as of 2011. So this is the original with the liner lock and the carbon fiber handle. It's really a great knife. I can tell I'm gonna like this. So thanks for watching. You can expect a video or two on this knife later on. It looks to be in excellent condition. Just a beautiful knife. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.